Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the last lesson, we have to learn how to insert an account record using Apex Plus method in LWC. So in the last lesson, we have created record of account using the Apex Plus method. In this lesson, we will be see how to create a dynamically found validation of required field in LWC. So here I will create a component. The component name will be found validation LWC. Here I will create a custom button. On the click on the button, I will be display required error message in LWC component. So let's jump to the my VS Code. So this is the name of the component. So I am copying this name. Jump to the VS Code. Control Shift P to create a new component. So I am selecting create Lightning Web component and pass the name of the file and press the enter. Select default LWC and click enter. So file has been created. Now JavaScript file has been opened already. Now I am opening HTML file and meta XML file. So in the meta XML file, I will put the target. So first is equal to true target. Inside the targets, use target and will display the lightning IP. So I am putting lightning app page. So this component will be visible on the lightning app page. Now go to the HTML. In the HTML, there is a template, but template tag automatically created. Inside the template, I will create a lightning card. In the lightning card, I will write a title, display, found validation error message. In LWC and icon name equal to custom 22. Inside the lightning card, I will create a form. So create a div class SLDS, grid SLDS, right SLDS, P around medium, div class SLDS, call SLDS, size 6 of 12, SLDS, P horizontal, small. Inside the div, I will create a lightning input field. Lightning input type text label first name copy div, this is a last name, div, this is a phone, type text phone, paste the div, type input type email and here email. I created code input field. Then I will create a submit button. Div class SLDS P top medium SLDS text align center. And inside the div, I will create a button, lightning button. Label, submit, on click, pass the action method, submit, action. So I created a form. In the JavaScript, I will create the submit action. So whenever user click on the button, will we check the validation? If required field are missing, then it will throw validation error message. In the export method, validation, I create a validation, pass the parameter event. On the submit action, create a variable, let field error message, please enter the, it is a common error message for all of the field. Then using the for each loop for all of the element. So here this dot template dot query selector all. I will select query selector all, so it will get all of the input field. So lightning input field. So select lightning input field dot for each item I will create a variable, let field label equal to item, this item dot label. Item dot label. So it will store the input field label, each on every input field. Also I create a variable, let for field value equal to item dot value. If item dot set custom validity, set custom validity, here message will be displayed, this message plus label, input field of label, else this dot item dot custom validity, otherwise it's blind. Then after else item dot report validity. So first I create a common error message, please enter the, then I am using the for each loop over the lightning input field. I created two let variable. First store the label and second store the value. Then it will be checked. If blank, then it will send an error message, set custom validity. So message will be, it is a common then you add the level of the field. Otherwise, it will be blank, and at the end of the function item the report validity. It is must use the it is must add at the end of the part of the function. And here pass the semicolon. So I created JavaScript function, I created HTML function. So on button click, this will be check on the error message of the form validation. Now I am deploying the code to the VS Code, to the Salesforce. Code has been deployed. Now this component will be called onto the Salesforce. So I will use this component here, edit the page. My component name is form validation. This is my component name. Select and drag and drop here. Save and go back. So first name, last name, phone and email, they are 4 input field, and there is a submit button. So whenever click on the button, I am not putting any of the value in the lightning input field. So it will be thrown error require message. So click on the button. As you can see, please enter the first name, please enter the last name, phone and email. I'm click whenever I'm putting the name Vijay Kumar, phone name and w3webnet@gmail.com and click. So error message has been gone. If you want to display the submit button as a like blue color, so use the variant attribute brand, save and deploy the code. And refresh the page. You can see if you not coming the background, Control Shift P and clear the cache and cookie and refresh. It will reflect the CSS. It is my typo mistake. It is not a BRAND. Save and deploy the code and refresh. You can see the button color has been changed. Click, it will check the validation of the Lightning input field. So friends, if you are stuck in any type of issue to create a form validation in LWC, please write in comment box and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel Tech W3 Web. Thank you.